Well, Singapore has extended by 2 years an incentive to encourage more people to convert to cleaner energy vehicles sooner. The scheme will now end in December 2025. The Land Transport Authority and National Environment Agency say electric vehicle adoption has hit a momentum that they want to sustain. There will, however, be less in way of rebates. Next year, it will be capped at $15,000 or $5,000 less. Heidi Ng tells us more.
Even with the revised rebate cap in 2024, authorities say most buyers of mass-market electric car models will still receive the same discount as today. Overall, buyers of electric vehicles will still enjoy combined cost savings of up to $40,000 off the additional registration fee. One analyst says this extension means the scheme will still be in effect when electric cars are expected to become more affordable in 2025. This will further incentivize adoption at that time.
Electric vehicles have a niche more in the premium end of the market, where their higher manufacturing costs can be absorbed into higher prices. So I think in the Singapore market, we will have to wait for the tipping point to arrive when production costs, especially batteries, are expected to fall significantly enough that a mass market electric vehicle will be comparable in price to a conventional vehicle.
Car dealers say the rebates are having their intended effect and welcome the news of the extension. 23% of new cars registered in August were electric, up from 20% in July. The proportion rises to close to 70% if hybrid cars are included. To cater to interest, Komoko Motors aims to increase its electric and hybrid cars to 80% of its offerings this year, up from 60% last year. On the other hand, EV retailer Polestar says it has actually sold fewer electric cars this year.
This year versus last year, the overall segment is down because of the reduced supply in COE. So, for example, the premium segment is down about 20%. So, even though EV adoption has increased, absolute numbers in the whole industry has come down. So I would say absolute stock levels are not higher than prior years because of the fact that the overall segment is still going through a downturn.
She adds many consumers still remain hesitant about electric cars and more education about matters like charging is needed.